Welcome. Today we're talking with Dean Jenkins. He is the VP Product Marketing at Q2. Dean, welcome, and thank you for joining us at today's Banker Digest.
Hey, Larry, thanks for having me. It's great to be here this morning.
Good. Well, Dean, let's start with an overview of Q2's platform.
Yeah, so the Q2 platform is a digital platform that connects to over 47 different cores and literally over 1,000 different banking back office systems, loan systems, deposit systems, payment systems to really help financial institutions create tailored, personalized experiences to account holders, from consumer to small business to large commercial businesses. And really, where we focus is how do we help financial institutions deliver differentiated service and differentiated experiences to help them compete and win in the market, and ultimately strengthen their businesses and their consumers and their communities to really build those strong and diverse communities across the North America.
Great. Well, thank you, Dean. So that's really good. So I understand that Q2 offers services that are not traditionally banking services. Can you talk about those services?
Yeah, if you think about what's going on in the market and what digital is enabling different providers to do with their consumers or their business customers, it really goes beyond banking. For the last couple of decades in the digital world, we have done everything we could to digitize all of the banking transactions, and that's either for consumers and how you move money and how you make payments, or even for more complex businesses and how they create electronic payments through ACH or through wire. And as an industry, we really have completely focused on just the banking functions. But if you think about like the small business and what they're trying to manage from a financial aspect, it's bigger than that. It's bigger than just how do I move money and how do I make payments. It's how do I really manage my cash flow, or how do I manage my payroll, or how do I really account for what's going on in my business. And so as we took a look at that, we realized that we had to make this bigger than just traditional transactional banking. And so we're helping financial institutions to really think about the full financial picture for their customers and how they can help them with adjacent services such as a payroll service or an accounting package, or a specific service that is only relevant to that specific type of business, like a solution that helps gig economy workers, that really is targeted at a specific audience. And if you think about the FinTech world, there are literally thousands of FinTechs that have done a great job of solving very specific problems for specific target audiences. That's what they've done great. But as a business, as you try to use all these different FinTech solutions, it's actually gotten more complex because none of these solutions actually talk to each other. And so when we looked at that, we said, hey, we want to try to help to fix that problem and help financial institutions start bringing in some of those great capabilities and offering really a full set of solutions that help businesses manage the financial aspect of their business.
Great. That's amazing, Dean. Thank you. So, while you're talking about that, I'm thinking about, with a variety of services that Q2 offers, how do you help your banking clients develop their go-to-market strategies?
It's a great question. I get that question a lot from financial institution leaders as they look at all of the great things that the FinTech world is doing, and there's a lot of innovation going on in that space. The question I often get asked is, which FinTech do I start with? And my counsel is always back to them is around Well, think about your target markets and think about things from outside in versus how do I take these products or these solutions and go from inside out. And that really helps them think about it differently, and think about it from, hey, where are my opportunities in my community? Where can I help the most?
Mm-hmm.
And really bring this back around to how do I bring the right solutions to the right audience or to the right business at the right time. And so my counsel is always around, think about your target markets, think about what their challenges are, and then try to line up solutions against that versus, hey, I really like this FinTech, and I just want to push this out to the overall community. So if the financial institutions that are able to do that, I think can really compete and win in the market by providing a suite of solutions that are much more targeted to each individual target market vertical that they want to serve.
Great, great. Good points about those target markets, target customers that they want to go after, Dean. So thank you. So what's your approach to adding new services to the Q2 platform?
Yeah, one of the challenges that the industry has had around FinTech partnerships is how do we get them started? How do we integrate them into an overall experience?
Mhm.
FinTech partnerships, quite honestly, are not new in the financial institution industry. Payroll services, other types of accounting services have been a natural connection to the banking offering, but the challenge has been, how do I actually bring those to market? How do I train my sales team to be knowledgeable about all these different solutions? And if you think about just the thousands of fintechs that are now out there, it's a significant challenge, and that's where digital has really changed the game.
Mhm.
And now I can think about leveraging the data around what I know about my account holders to really think about how they would connect to specific fintech solutions. We've opened up our digital banking platform, which allows fintechs to build integration directly into our platform. We call it the Innovation Studio. It was launched in June of 2021 officially, and over the last, let's call it 18 months, we've grown the number of fintech partners that are now part of the Q2 digital banking platform from a handful to over 100. And the way we really did that is quite honestly, getting Q2 out of the way, and allowing this innovation to start happening, and opening up the platform so that they had access to integrating and creating a comprehensive solution that worked in concert with the traditional banking solutions.
Right.
And so that really changed the game and increased the speed and, quite honestly, the value of the fintech and the financial institution partnerships that were out there. And so it's been wildly successful. A number of our financial institutions are taking advantage of that and really going to market with a differentiated set of solutions that is helping them stand out in a very competitive commercial banking market.
Great, great. Thank you, Dean. Appreciate you spending time today with today's Banker Digest and discussing the Q2 platform and how it enables banks to offer a wide suite of banking, accounting, and business services to its targeted small and medium commercial customers. Again, Dean, thank you.
Thanks, Larry. It's great to be here and great to talk with you this morning.
Good, good. So in closing, thank you for joining today's Banker Digest. If you have additional questions for Dean, please see the link in his bio.